Hey friends, I'm back with another video, and today I am reorganizing and cleaning some of my inventory. Now this shelf in my bedroom has just become my inventory bookshelf, and that's totally fine because this is just the reality of where I have to store my stuff. But it gets rather dusty and also super disorganized. Right now I have a bunch of tall stuff in the front that should probably be in the back, and bulky items that should probably be towards the bottom, and just not very organized as far as like what this thing is. It's kind of scattered, like the candlesticks aren't all together, the kitchenware isn't all together, and I don't think I'm gonna ever really get it perfect, but I would like to reorganize it to some extent. So that's what you're gonna be watching me do in this video, and this is gonna be a part one because I'm actually gonna be ordering a new like dresser type of thing to set up a shipping station, and also a desk to set up my computer, laptop, like where I do all of my photo editing and video editing and everything. I just really need that in my space. So this is kind of a part one of totally rehauling my setup. So yeah, I hope you will stick along for this whole little journey of reorganizing what my little Etsy shop looks like as far as on the back end. It's just the reality of being a small business owner when you run an Etsy store out of your bedroom. Like, this is what it looks like. So yeah, without further ado, have fun watching me reorganize this shelf really quick, and I'll see you on the other side of it.
I never dreamed that you would change my world forever, but here we are. I'm ready to conquer, ready to fight injustice like I'm fighting monsters. Life is black and blue, happy then it's sad. Just call it an adventure, then it ain't so bad. Together we touch the sky, wherever we go we fly. Forever we know adventures in the air tonight. Together we touch the sky, wherever we go we fly. Forever we know adventures in the air tonight. Our dreams will come alive. Our dreams will come alive.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching part one of me reorganizing my inventory and cleaning and just kind of overhauling my whole process of how I'm going to do this. It's getting a little out of control, so I just need a better way to store all of these items because I'm so sick and tired of them just being everywhere. So yeah, that is part one, and part two hopefully will be coming soon-ish. I'm going to hopefully order the dresser and desk soon. Not sure how soon, but hopefully soon. So once all of that stuff arrives and I get it all set up, then part two will be on its way. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of this Etsy small business, being a vintage reseller and all of that. So yeah, I will catch y'all next time. Bye.